When you are in QSR business, you not only have to take care of business, but there are lots of assets that need your attention. When your QSR is not equipped with our asset management software, it leads to several issues, such as frequent asset breakdown, asset malfunctioning, no proper records of assets, no repair cost tracking, etc. When assets are moved frequently, chances of asset loss are more. Utility consumption records are kept manually and no asset performance tracking. You can solve all these issues with our restaurant inventory software. With this system you can define all locations, categories, and assets. Online help desk for breakdown maintenance. Schedule maintenance to avoid asset performance issues and sudden breakdown. Email-based reminder for maintenance activities. Expenses recording for repairs and inventory consumption. Movement recording and movement history for asset tracking. Features of Asset Infinity software. The manager can see the status of every tickets and can also check pending and closed tickets. Google Map integration for service technicians tracking. It helps in assigning tickets and resolving tickets quickly. Organizations can prioritize work orders with this software. It makes technicians more efficient and productive work is delivered. Reminders to technicians through mobile notifications, SMS, and email. Pending activities tracking by using filters to make custom reports. Restaurant businesses can achieve benefits with Asset Infinity solution. Single dashboard to see all maintenance activities. Better productivity of the workforce. Optimized asset performance. Decreased maintenance expenses. Accurate asset tracking avoids asset theft and misplacement. Increasing asset uptime and availability. Reports and analytics. If you want to grow your outlet efficiency and increase ROI, this software can be extremely helpful. Schedule a demo and sign up for a free trial.